Hindi biro yung 42 kilometers na takbo. Grabe talaga yun.
Yung legs ko sobrang nag-give up na.
I want to prove myself na kaya ko siyang gawin.
Napakahirap niya. It's a tough route.
Grabe talaga experience ko dito.
Our first marathoner. Congratulations, Ed Panopio! Finish strong, finish strong! Congratulations! Mariel, you're the first female.
I dedicate this first marathon to my late father. So, Daddy, I hope proud ka dito.
I dedicate my first marathon to my family, most especially my dad who is here beside me.
Magti-thank you tayo, syempre, kay Lord dahil natapos natin yung marathon. And of course, to those people na nakasupport dito all throughout the community, maraming salamat sa pagbigay nyo ng hype.
In life,
In life, a lifetime for good.
In life, a lifetime for good.